Hi loves! Welcome or welcome back. I'm excited to kick off my third look in my Gay Pride series, a celebration of love, identity and self-expression. Each look is bold, fun and full of pride, so stay till the end for more shots of the finished look. To start, I've drawn two symmetrical lines from the outer corners of my eyes up to the hairline, like an extended wing. First, I'm applying this high shine shimmer from Revolution with a flat brush, packing it all over the lid up to the brow for a radiant base. Next, I'm using Kiko's liquid liner to create a classic wing with a sharp inner corner, then extending it out along the pre-drawn lines. Now I'm using a short flat brush and Kiko's black eyeshadow to deepen the long winged line. Then, with a clean blending brush, I'll soften any harsh edges to prep for smooth colour transitions. Starting with red shadow, I'm pressing it below the black using another short flat brush, then blending it out gently with a clean brush. I'll repeat this process with orange and yellow, placing and blending each shade for a seamless fade. For definition, I'm tightlining the lower and upper waterlines with Kiko's black eyeliner. Once that side is complete, I'll move on to the other eye using the same technique with purple, blue and green. Since the steps are the same, I'll fast forward through this section. To finish the eyes, I'm using a volumizing mascara from root to tip, then adding MAC false lashes for extra lift and drama. For the face, I'm contouring under the cheekbones, around the hairline and along the nose. Then I'm adding blush and topping it off with MAC's Extra Dimension blush for that glossy pop. To finish, I'm using the same shimmer from the eyes to highlight the cheekbones, nose and Cupid's bow for a radiant glow. To finish the look, I'm lining the lips with a skinny black brow pencil for shape, then filling in with MAC's In the Spirit lipstick and topping with clear glitter lip gloss for a high shine sparkling finish. And that's the final look. If you found this tutorial helpful, give that like button a hug and subscribe. Sharing is caring, so feel free to send it to a friend or reach out for collabs. For more looks and reels, follow me on Instagram and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.